A diesel particulate filter has an important job: to keep our air clean. As a truck goes down the road, or even if it's just idling, its DPF is working hard, removing particulate matter or soot from engine exhaust. When the filter becomes clogged, a proper regeneration uses heat to turn that soot into ash. And like any filter, it must be clear and free of excess blockage. Too much buildup will eventually create issues with truck operation, leading to increased maintenance costs and may require the DPF to be manually cleaned. Here at Penske, we looked at the transportation industry and saw that there was a wide variation in standards for cleaning DPFs from manufacturers to dealerships. So, we created our own unique DPF cleaning processes and benchmarks. A system that consistently and efficiently produces some of the cleanest DPFs to an average of 90% or better of their original capacity. To achieve these impressive results, we use up to 3 cleaning processes, starting with blowing. For our blowing process, we've identified and follow a unique cleaning pattern with nozzles, pressures, and distances. If additional cleaning is required, we move to baking to loosen the hardened soot. Then the blowing process is reapplied. If more cleaning is still required, we use an aqueous process, soaking the DPF in an ultrasonic tank before rinsing it with water and compressed air, then drying it in a kiln. Our processes are more thorough and of higher quality than others, and we possess greater after-treatment expertise around a wider variety of DPFs. We're proud to be able to do this for our customers. With 750-plus maintenance shops and strategically located DPF cleaning facilities, we are able to ship a clean DPF to anywhere in the U.S. in just 2 days. Ensuring we have clean DPF stocked in our 750-plus locations means that we minimize your downtime, lower your cost, and supply your fleet with clean, compliant, and fuel-efficient DPFs anytime your vehicles need one to get back on the road.